Okay, this first section will be on identifying carboxylic acids and derivatives. The big thing we need to memorize here is the general formula for a carboxylic acid, an ester, and an amide. This is our carboxylic acid, and these are the two common derivatives of it. Notice in all three of these we have our CO double bond, so that's carbon double bonded to oxygen in every single one of these molecules. On a carboxylic acid, we have an OH here. On an ester, we have an O followed by R, which can be any carbon-containing substituent. And down at amides, we always have an N here. And the H's here are arbitrary. You can have other substituents here as well. And we'll get into that in a later video. And something else to notice is this R over here. That can mean any carbon-containing substituent. So you can have anything here. But the big thing to look for is your CO double bond, and then what's bonded next to it. If it's OH, O something else, or NH2. If it's one of those, and then that means we have one of these. But you always got to watch out. I have 4 examples here to look at. The first example here, we have our CO double bond. That's a good sign. That's the first thing you should always look for, the CO double bond. We notice right here we have our NH2. So, and we have this, a carbon-containing substituent, CH3, so that can line up with an amide. So this molecule right here is an amide. Down here we have CH3, O, CH3. We have our O here, but we don't have a CO double bond. So if we don't have a CO double bond, we know right away it can't be any of these. So first thing, look for a CO double bond. If you can't find one, throw it out. It's not an answer. Here, this molecule, we have CH3, C double bonded OH. We look right here, we have a CO double bond, so that's good. That's what we want to look for. We know there's an OH here and an R. So this is a carboxylic acid. This one over here, similar to what we just saw. We have our O and our NH2. That's a good sign. However, again, we don't have our CO double bond. If we don't have a CO double bond, it doesn't matter what it looks like. We can just throw it out.